right, tower frequency 120.5. All ground traffic use 133.0. All
Radio check.
departing aircraft
Ground clear, heavy.
contact
All surrounding
clear.
clear.
Taxi on 118.15 with position and departure point. Land and hold short operations in effect. Note stairman, caution, bird activity in the vicinity, Long Beach Airport.
Taxi Foxtrot to Long Beach Flying Club.
Custody 6 left, Juliet 4.
Advise on initial contact, you have information, Quebec.
Southwest 20.
Long Beach Airport information, Quebec 2153 Zulu, wind 180 at 8, visibility 10 clear, temperature 20, dew point 12, altimeter 29905. ILS runway 30, perch in use, runway 30 arrivals, and runway 26 left, tower frequency 119.4. Runway 30 departures, and runway 26 right, tower frequency 120.5. All ground traffic use 133.0. All VFR departing aircraft are requested to contact clearance delivery prior to taxi on 118.15 with position and departure point. Land and hold short operations in effect. Notice airmen, caution, bird activity in the vicinity, Long Beach Airport. Advise on initial contact, you have information, Quebec.
Quebec.
Long Beach Airport information, Quebec 2153 Zulu, wind 180 at 8, visibility 10 clear, temperature 20, dew point 12, altimeter 29905. ILS runway 30, perch in use, runway 30 arrivals, and runway 26 left, tower frequency 119.4. Runway 30 departures, and runway 26 right, tower frequency 120.5. All ground traffic use 133.0. All VFR departing aircraft are requested to contact clearance delivery prior to taxi on 118.15 with position and departure point. Land and hold short operations in effect. Notice airmen, caution, bird activity in the vicinity, Long Beach Airport. Advise on initial contact, you have information, Quebec.
So we are left-hand at the river today.
Yes.
Long Beach clearance Turkey, Bulgaria Echo, and Long Beach Flight Club, runway 26 left, with information, Quebec.
Turkey, Bulgaria Echo, Long Beach clearance, contact.
Contact ground Turkey, Bulgaria Echo. Long Beach ground Turkey, Bulgaria Echo, and Long Beach Flight Club, runway 26 left, need run up.
Cherokee 40 Echo, Long Beach ground, runway 26 left, taxi via the right side of Foxtrot. Run up is approved.
26 left, taxi via right side of Foxtrot, Cherokee, Bulgaria Echo.
The 4 Sierra Papa, maintain the right side of Sunline. There'll be an opposite direction, Cherokee passing.
Right side Foxtrot, 4 Sierra Papa. Ground 15, Southwest 1333 is joining Kilo, we're going to gate 2.
Southwest 1333, Long Beach ground. Good afternoon, taxi to the gate via Kilo and the ramp.
Kilo the ramp, Southwest 1333. Southwest 2551, taxi Quebec.
Southwest 2551, runway 30, taxi via Lima and hold short, runway 26 left approach.
Lima short 26 left approach for 30, Southwest 2551. Long Beach ground, Cessna 532 Bravo Delta radio check.
Number 532 Bravo Delta, Long Beach ground, reads loud and clear. How do you hear me?
Loud and clear, thank you.
Cherokee 0 Echo, center line approved.
Center line approved, Cherokee, Bulgaria Echo.
Sierra Papa, center line approved.
Center line approved, 4 Sierra Papa. Long Beach Ground, career track 488, Sino Bravo Solo at Foxtrot 3, taxi signature.
Ground 421 Delta Kilo is off of 26 right at Kilo 3 and need to go to signature.
Southwest 2551, cross runway 26 left approach, towers on 120.5.
Alright, 20.5, cross 26 left approach, just 2050.
Career track 488, Long Beach Ground, taxi to signature via Foxtrot.
Signature via Foxtrot, career track 488.
Golden Eagle 421 Delta Kilo, Long Beach Ground, taking your taxi request.
Destination signature, I'm off at Kilo 3.
Golden Eagle 1 Delta Kilo, make a left turn on Kilo, left turn Kilo, then Charlie, Lima 4, hold short of runway 30.
Sir Charlie, Lima 4 and hold short of 30, Lima 4.
I just need to confirm that it's number 1 Delta Kilo to hold short of runway 30 at Lima 4.
That's permitted, 421 Delta Kilo, hold short of 30, Lima 4.
Parking brake set. Throttle 1000, fuel selector to the left, and timer. Set. Trim. For neutral. Right control, pull left, left up, right down, pull right, left down, right up, stabilizer pull push, neutral, pull back, left rudder, right rudder, mixture reach, primer in and rocked, throttle 2000. Magneto check, turning right, left, right. RPM drop, back to both. Original RPM 2000, turning left.
3614, Long Beach Ground,
RPM
taking
drops within 175, differential between 50, back to both. Carburetor heat on.
Thank you, taxi to the gate via Kilo
RPM
and the
drops, carburetor heat off. Vacuum suction check, between 4.8 and 5.1. Alternator check. Can I do that?
Yeah, absolutely.
Good
question, though.
Yeah. Rodometer reading 0. Anode 0 panel right on. Master switch on. Rodometer all right. Anode 0 test. All lights on. Oil temperature and pressure. Rolling grain arc. Throttle back to 1000 and idle.
On the other side.
2 Delta Kilo across 30 at
Engine
Lima
still
4.
alive. Carburetor heat on. Engine still alive. Back to 1000. Throttle friction, this is okay. Mixture lean. And flying instrument check. Airspeed indicator leader 0. Miniature wing level and set. Altimeter 29905.
Golden Eagle 1 Delta Kilo, continue straight ahead on Delta 4, turn left on Juliet 2, then hold short of runway 26 left.
Okay, straight ahead
Turn
on Delta
coordinator
4.
wing level, boarding the second
Juliet 2 and hold short of 26 left at Juliet 2.
indicator to the 265 set. And body cruise speed indicator leader 0. Head magnetic compass purpley, no crack, no bubble. Flap is 0 and seat belt fasten. So departure we 26 left and left turn
Golden Eagle 1 Delta Kilo,
to
cross runway
the
26
Catalina
left, Juliet 2,
VOR.
then
Nope,
taxi
I'll
via
tell you.
Foxtrot to,
Yeah.
Alright, so,
Sure.
do you have a chart on there?
Crossing
Chart?
26 left
Yeah.
and
I only have this Air Force
W.
chart.
Okay, so. You know what a VOR looks like on here?
Ground career track 234,
That chart.
left at Foxtrot 3, requesting 267.
Cruise 234 Long Beach Ground, just taxi up Foxtrot just a bit, let traffic behind you clear the runway, and then hold position from there.
You said to go a little bit to the Foxtrot and wait for traffic?
Yeah, I just wanted, there's a Cessna behind you that needs to clear the runway. I just wanted you to clear it out. So just
This
hold
is
position
VOR.
for me, please.
Yes, exactly. All right.
Oh.
So pull up the Catalina VOR.
Yep.
Golden Eagle 1 Delta Kilo, I'm sorry, I did miss your answer. You're going to the signature answer.
This one.
Affirmative.
Yeah, so tell me what frequency the VOR is.
114.15.
Good. So which one will we put that in?
234, thank you. Runway 26
this one?
taxi via.
Good.
Taxi via Foxtrot 3, track 234.
All right. So what do each of these numbers mean on this thing?
Here.
On here.
Here.
Yeah.
So we set the heading and this is the CDI and this is glide slope.
So yeah, this one's the CDI on both of them. There's two separate units, right? Only nav1 has a glide slope. But we're not worried, you won't worried about that till instrument,
Yeah.
right? Because VORs don't have a glide slope. You can still use it, just the glide slope won't work, right? You'll get the glide slope flag.
Yeah.
Right now, neither of these are picking up any VOR. So we have this, they call it a barber pole. You know what I mean by barber pole?
Yeah, the swing.
Yeah, that's kind of what that looks like. So, yeah. Anyway, look here, right? This right here,
Yeah.
0, that line, that is the 360 radial.
Yep.
So we would plug in 360 north,
Yep.
right? So, based on which way this needle swings, we have to fly a heading over here or over here to get to the radial.
Yeah, 45 degrees.
Ish, right?
Yeah.
But does this thing know where we're going? Does it know what direction we're going?
No.
No, that's really important. You always have to compare this to that.
Yeah.
For example, let's say right now this needle is centered. It's centered, right?
Yeah.
Actually, let's see if I can get this. This is the VOT, but of course, whatever. All right, let's say, okay, cool. All right, great.
Ground track 382, clear runway 26 left at Foxtrot 3, request signature.
This is the localizer.
382, Long Beach Ground taxi, this seems to be a Foxtrot.
Signature via Foxtrot, clear track 382.
Okay, it doesn't work, right? But let's say this needle's centered, right? Does this mean we're going south?
No, never.
What would it mean?
We set this to the radial of south.
Good. So if the needle's centered, that means we're on the 180 radial if it says from.
Yeah.
So if we wanted to track the 180 radial, which way would we have to turn?
In this case?
Yeah, if we wanted to go southbound away from whatever VOR we plugged in.
Then we have to go north.
No, because the south radial is this, right? The radial is always from.
Yeah, from.
So if this radial is from, and we want to go away from the VOR, which way do we have to go?
To the south?
26 left, taxi via Foxtrot 731.
Good, exactly. If we want to go to the VOR, which way would we go?
To the VOR, we have to go north.
Good, exactly. Now you can also plug in that, and down here it should say 2, right?
Yep.
So if this VOR, this needle, represents this.
This is the maximum.
Yeah, this needle is this line, right?
Yep.
So that's how we know where we are, right? Cool. All right, left at the river.
Yep, and set this to the 11.15.
Yeah, do it. Yeah, do a 114.15.
Yep.
Long Beach Ground, Cessna 304, that go, Foxtrot 3, taxi 26 left. November 304, that go, Long Beach Ground, runway 26 left, taxi via Foxtrot.
Taxi via Foxtrot 4 Echo. We're around 499 Mike Delta, we have Quebec, we're ready to taxi.
November 499 Mike Delta, Long Beach Ground, say your position.
Atlantic.
November 9 Mike Delta, runway 30, taxi via Echo 1, Echo, Juliet, Juliet 2, and then hold short of runway 26 left.
Alright, Juliet, Juliet. I totally screwed that up. Let's start over.
Number 9 Mike Delta, not a problem. It's runway 30 via Echo 1, Echo, Juliet, Juliet 2, then hold short of runway 26 left.
Alright, Echo, Echo 1, Juliet, and then hold short at 26 left for 9 Mike Delta.
Long Beach Ground, Saratoga, November 8, Romeo Golf with Quebec. That's signature. Taxi for takeoff, request 30, Delta 3 will be eastbound.
Saratoga 8 Romeo Golf, Long Beach Ground, you need to run up first?
Yeah, we'll do a run up.
Okay, no, 8 Romeo Golf, stand by 1. I just have traffic. I need to get to the ramp prior to you.
Energy Roger, standing by.
Long Beach Ground, Cherokee Airport, Zero Echo, run up complete.
November 7 Whiskey Alpha traffic is holding in position. Cross runway 26 left, Juliet 2, and then taxi via Foxtrot to signature.
Juliet 2, Foxtrot cleared, 26 left in the signature, 267 Whiskey Alpha.
Long Beach Ground, Cessna 5513 Lima, clear of 26 left at Foxtrot 3, taxi back.
5513 Lima, Long Beach Ground, stand by.
Stand by 13 Lima.
Long Beach Ground, Cherokee Airport, Zero Echo, run up complete.
Ricky 0 Echo, continue taxi.
Continue taxi 26 left, Cherokee Airport, Zero Echo.
Saratoga 8 Romeo Golf, use caution that Gulfstream is going to be pulling into the ramp there in front of you. Looks like they're going to usher you in front. Once they clear, you can taxi via Foxtrot to the run-up area. Advise when your run-up is complete.
Energy Roger to the run up area, and we're holding our position until we see what the flagman's going to do here.
That's fine, no 8 Romeo Golf, but you can taxi at your discretion.
Roger, thanks, Energy.
November 13 Lima, runway 26 left, taxi via Foxtrot.
26 left, taxi via Foxtrot 13 Lima.
Well, November 272 Charlie, clear to 30, there's a floor, take to Long Beach Ground Club.
Stand by, please.
Destination reach, clear from phone, landing light on, and...
Rob 70 uniform.
Thirty cancel rapid cross traffic.
So 304 Echo, let me start runway 26 left, 90.8 traffic in the downwind.
Long Beach Tower, Cherokee Airport, Zero Echo, hold short of 26 left, left turn at the river.
234, extend downwind on Firebase, traffic will hold position prior to arrival.
You'll call my base, third track 234.
Cherokee Airport, Zero Echo, let me start, stand by, have your request.
Ford Echo, I think we got stepped on. Did you say line up 08?
So Ford Echo, runway 26 left now, just clear for takeoff, all the traffic up and all from the pattern.
Clear for takeoff 26 left, there's no Ford Echo.
Cherokee 08 Echo, I want you to hold short of runway 26 left, Cherokee 08 Echo.
Holding short 26 left, Cherokee Airport, Zero Echo. 48 Echo again.
Yeah.
Cherokee 08 Echo, traffic extending downwind, runway 26 left, line up and wait.
26 left, line up and wait, Cherokee Airport, Zero Echo.
Check 76, thanks for your help. You can turn left or right. If you can't make golf, you can continue on to Kilo and then contact ground.
Yeah, we'll take a left to golf and go to ground, check 76.
Check 234, start your base.
Starting base, clear track 234.
Cherokee 08 Echo, left at the river, runway 26 left, cleared for takeoff.
26 left, clear for takeoff, Cherokee Airport, Zero Echo.
Long Beach Tower, Cessna
Engineers
5513
14 O-ring green arrow.
26 left, left traffic.
That's a 5513 Lima, let me start traffic in the base, runway 26 left, line of point.
Airspeed
A
alright.
little bit more right. Get back to that center line. Good
26
job.
left, line up and wait, 13 Lima.
Rotate.
So 12 Lima, the traffic upwind is exiting the pattern, make left close traffic, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
26 left, clear for takeoff, 13 Lima.
Clear check 234, traffic still on the roll, runway 26 left, clear for the option.
26 left, clear for the option. Traffic, see traffic inside, clear track 234.
Delta 1 for uniform, you can start your base. If you're flying traffic bound final, rolling 26 left, clear for the option.
Starting my base, 26 left, clear for the option number 2, Cessna 1 for uniform.
Delta 73 uniform, extend down, fire base, traffic level in position, prior arrival.
Exit downwind 73 uniform.
Cessna 6245 Delta over Queens Gate with Quebec, clear 26 left, full stop.
Cessna 6245 Delta, Long Beach, traffic routed between Mary and runway 45 for left traffic, runway 26 left.
Queen Mary, left traffic 26 left. Go ahead. Number Charger, check 569, horse order 26 left, Foxtrot 1, left traffic.
Free check 569, let me check, standby. And 2009er.
Number Charger, check 569, you can transition us to 26 right if required.
Check 569, roger.
All right, my controls.
You have control?
Go ahead and put your hood on.
Yep.
Check 234, if you could turn left there at Foxtrot 4 and then pull up for that aircraft that needs to cross the runway behind you and then contact us.
All right, your controls.
I have control.
180.
180.
For traffic, career track 234.
Rotor.
Uniform turn base at the 605.
180.
Base at 605, 73 uniform.
That's a forward echo base 605.
Frequency change approved to OK for Juliet Echo.
What you're calling it? So that's 48 echo only base 605.
No.
Ah, yeah.
Base 605 for aircraft.
Just one turn in the base 605.
Base 605, 130.
Cherokee 08 echo, frequency change base.
Frequency change approved to OK for Juliet Echo.
569, runway 26 left.
Great. All right, now take me directly to the Santa Catalina VOR.
Yep.
So, how do we go directly to the Santa Catalina VOR?
So turn to this side.
So, there's a couple different functionalities of the VOR, right?
Yep.
Right now, this is telling us where the 360 radio is. Right now, pull your map back up.
Yep.
Check 569.
This line. This is an imaginary line that goes all the way over here, right?
Yeah.
It's saying that if we want to go to this line, we have to go to one of these headings,
Yeah.
right? So, but we want to know how to go to the VOR, right? So how would we go directly to that?
So until this goes to the center.
Sort of. That tells us to go from, right? I
Yeah.
want you to twist it till that needle centers.
Uh-huh.
And maintain 180.
Maintain 180. Yeah.
That's fine, it's close enough.
Yeah.
All right, so this is saying if we fly a heading of 015, we'll go away from the VOR.
Yeah.
But are we trying to go to the VOR or away from the VOR?
This is from the VOR.
So how do we get to the VOR?
180 degrees after this degree.
Good. So what heading is that?
About 260? No, no, no. 200.
Good, so kind of where we're going, right?
Yep.
Now, twist this until it centers, but that says 2.
2. Yep.
That's the 13 Lima, number 3, tap the files on a 10 mile final.
Good, so fly towards that heading.
Yep.
190.
190.
Yep. If you fly that heading, that'll take you straight to the VOR. Level off at 3,500.
3,500. Oh, we already passed it. Tail pump off, landing lights off.
Good, so this is how you know you're going towards the station.
Mm-hmm.
2, 190, 190, and we're centered.
Yeah.
We are on a bearing that takes us 190 straight to Catalina.
Bravo, over the horseshoe, 3,500, climbing 5,500, southbound, both Catalina.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Great. All right, so show me where we are on the chart.
So we are around here, I guess.
Well, what radio are we on?
We are already on. This is 200. So
That's 190.
190. So then, best.
All right, if someone gives you $190
Yeah.
and you overpay, if you gave somebody $190
Mm-hmm.
and you overpaid them $180,
Yeah.
how much money do they owe you back?
10.
Yeah, that's how you do that math. You make it about money,
Yeah.
right? Or just look here, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's right.
So we're on the 010 radial,
Mm-hmm.
right? So where's the 010 radial?
010 is this one.
Yeah, so we're somewhere along this line,
Yeah.
right? We can't tell the distance because we don't have DME. Other thing is we've got to make sure we stay on that heading, right? All right, now I want you to go straight to the ocean side, the El Toro VOR.
Where is it?
Oh, wait. How do we know this is Oceanside?
Oceanside? Here, over here. 115.3.
Well, no, so where do you find, so Catalina, how do we know this is the Catalina VOR? How can we check?
By the Morse code, we can hear that.
How do we do that? What is the Morse code?
This one.
Yep.
Yeah.
So we do the press that, nav 1, press that,
Yep.
and this has to be on ident.
Ident. Dun, 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 dun.
Make sense?
Yeah.
All right, now I want you to direct me direct to the El Toro VOR. It's right there.
El Toro 117.2.
Yep. All right. So now, if we want to go direct to there, how do we dial that in?
White Cessna 3000.
I'm not sure.
So we want to go directly to El Toro VOR.
Yeah.
So twist this until the needle centers.
Uh-huh.
Good. So is that to or from?
This is from.
Okay. So if we turn to this heading, will we go away from the VOR or towards it?
Away from VOR.
Good. We want to go to it, right?
So turn this until this goes to the 2 and center.
Yep, exactly. And it'll be that number, right?
Yep.
Blue Sierra, White Cessna. We're a half a mile south of Baseball Diamond, eastbound Stevie Practice area.
Great. Now watch this heading. We keep getting off, right?
Mm-hmm.
Really important to maintain straight and level there.
Yeah.
So go back to 190.
190.
Now what heading are you going to turn to go directly towards El Toro?
070.
Good. And 3,500.
3,500.
So turn to 0 set, go straight to El Toro.
Uh-huh. 070 and 3,500.
DB Fox Sarah, White Cessna 3000, half a mile south of Point Foreman, westbound, DB Fox.
Good. Okay. And now, if this goes a little bit to the left, we have to fly a heading over here, right?
Yeah.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Have we identified El Toro with the Morse code?
Del Toro, Morse.
And maintain 0970 while you look down there.
Yeah. Dun, 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 dun.
Halsey, look.
Ah, yeah.
Easy to do, right?
Yeah.
So we got to split the attention, right?
And Morse code is confirmed.
Good. So undo it.
Uh-huh.
Great. Now, oh no, we're lost. Right?
Yeah.
So now, I want you to go start making a 360 standard rate.
360 standard rate.
Yeah, so now we know, what radio are we off of El Toro?
This one.
Is that our radio?
No, radio is from, so this one.
So find me the 250 radio.
250.
It maintained 3,500.
Yeah.
So look on the chart.
250 and 250 is over here.
Good, so you're on a big line from, well no, that's Oceanside. Where's El Toro?
Yeah. El Toro is here, but
Oh, there's
I
no
don't-
things. They don't always put a compass right. Okay, so dude, find out where we are from San Diego.
San
Or from
Diego.
Oceanside.
Oceanside.
What
yeah.
radio are we on from Oceanside? So put an Oceanside in here.
115.3.
So now, how do we find out which radio we're on?
From and center.
Good. Keep the turn coming. Can you draw on this?
Oh yeah.
So I want you to draw a line from the Oceanside VOR on this radio.
Something like this.
Well, no, what radio are we on?
290.
285.
Yeah,
So
285.
draw a line on the 285 radio up way over here.
285.
Yep. Great. Now, plug in Catalina down here.
Catalina down here.
Yeah, and let's identify this Morse code, so plug in NAM1. Let's listen for Oceanside.
Yep, confirm.
Great, so take it off.
Take it off.
Now let's plug in Catalina.
Catalina. 114.15. And Neptune. Yep.
All right, great. Take it off. Now, how do we know which radio we're on? Keep the circle coming.
Yeah.
How do we know which radio we're on in Catalina?
From this.
Yep. So what do we want to center it on?
From.
Good. 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 Close enough.
Yep.
What radio is that?
010.
Good. So draw it from there.
010.
All right, now
So we
connect
are
these lines.
here.
Good.
So this is our position now.
Look,
Oh,
exactly.
yeah.
Good job.
Uh-huh.
All right.
Oh, that's funny.
Yeah, no, that's how that works, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now look at LAX.
Yep.
I want you to draw me the 132 radial.
132.
Yep.
132. Super. I can write in
You can't. Draw the 132.
132, 132. I can see. This is 15, 14,
Yo,
13.
135 is fine. So draw it out. All right, so we want to take that to there. I'm sorry, no. Okay, that's good. So now I want you to plug into Santa Monica VOR.
Santa Monica. Yep. On that one.
Yep. No.
Ah,
Santa Monica VOR.
yep.
Nav 1.
113.6.
Are you sure? Santa Monica.
Yeah. 110.8.
There you go. Good. Now, identify it.
Yep. Yep, confirm.
Great. Take it off. Good. Now I want you to put in. I want you to intercept the 132 radial.
132 radio from
Yeah.
Santa Monica.
Yeah. Now where? Yeah. So it's not a good picture, but it's right here, right? Here's the Santa Monica. So
Uh-huh.
just draw
Like
that kind of.
this?
Yeah. Great. Good. We want to intercept this radial, right?
Yep.
So plug in 132.
132.
Great. So this says if we want to intercept the 132 radial, we have to fly one of these headings,
Yeah.
right? But I want you to fly towards the VOR on the 132 radial.
132 radio.
So when we get here, what's our heading going to be?
132.
If we're on that, it'll take us
This is from, so 312.
Good. So put that in there.
Yep.
Does the same thing.
312.
Great. Now give me a 45-degree intercept.
45-degree intercept.
What's a 45-degree intercept of this line?
To the north.
Good. So go to north and climb to 4,500.
4,500.
Good. And then when this needle starts to come in, you turn to 312.
312. Yeah.
Xeria traffic, Cherokee 840, Echo 5 south of Angels Gate, 3,500, climb to 4,500 for special flight rules.
7.2, 916 Romeo.
Confirmed. For 78 Bravo, turn left heading 030.
SoCal Turkey 8408 Echo over Point Vernon. Just a quick question.
Good.
Just want to make sure Special Flight Rules is still open. I see a couple TFRs. I'm showing them as inactive. I just want to confirm that Special Flight Rules is open.
I'm actually going to have to ask real quick, so I'll get back to you.
Appreciate it.
So in this height, we have to lean the mixture
Yep, let's lean it down, about to the E.
to the E.
That's running a little bit rough. We can run a little bit more.
Yeah.
Good. Hold this.
The TFRs for tomorrow, the Special Flight Rules is open.
Appreciate it. Just making sure. Thank you. 840 Echo. Cool.
Number 428 Echo Sierra, you're 5 miles from Wells. Maintain VFR, practice approach approved, no separation services provided.
Alright, so we want to check these, make sure those are there.
Uh-huh.
Ah, almost. Remember, it's backwards, yeah. So another thing you want to do is judge how fast this is coming in, right?
Yeah.
Is it coming in fast or slow?
Slower than I thought.
Good. So once it gets to there,
Uh-huh.
you can wait till it centers to turn.
Uh-huh.
And what heading are you going to turn to?
312.
Good.
Headings north. Sorry, 4,500. Speed, altitude, altimeter, heading. Almost there. Almost.
Alright, you can turn.
Yep, heading 312.
Number 65710, circle approach, flight present heading, vectors for the practice approach and the Hawthorne.
Flight present heading 710.
Good. Now manage the altitude. We want to make sure we stay at 4,500. So now, this is where the phrase chase the needle comes from.
Uh-huh.
Right? So we want to finish this, right? See how it's about 10 degrees off?
Yeah.
So set that to that.
Uh-huh.
Good. Now, if this needle goes to the left, you have to fly to a heading that's to the left of the triangle.
Uh-huh.
Right? No, keep it there.
Yeah.
Because we want to track this specific radial. 312. So we don't want to change this number, right?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
We want to stay on this purple line.
Number 65710, turn left heading 340.
Left heading 340, 710. SoCal 92 Whiskey Foxtrot, climb to 2,000 to 2,500.
Number 92 Whiskey Foxtrot, circle approach, ident, Los Angeles altimeter 29906, say requested altitude.
Ident, requested altitude 3,500, 92 Whiskey Foxtrot.
Number 92 Whiskey Foxtrot, we're to contact 2 miles south of El Monte. On navigation, and VFR climb up to 3,000 is approved for now. I'll get you higher in a moment.
So 3,000, 92 Whiskey Foxtrot.
November 428 Echo Sierra, contact Hawthorne Tower 121.1, good day.
Contact Hawthorne Tower 1.
Special flight rules, traffic check 840 Echo over Torrance, 4,500 northbound. Good, this is doing really nice. Really good. So we're going to get closer and closer, and as we get there, this moves more, right? Because radials are like slices of pizza,
Yeah.
right? If you have Halsey's slice of pizza, is it thinner, closer to the middle of the pizza, or to the end of the pizza?
Thinner.
At the middle or the end,
Middle.
right?
Yep.
Same with these radials, except imagine a pizza that instead of 8 slices had 360 slices. They'd be really small.
Yeah.
Right, so these are really small radials. So the airplane, these needles get more sensitive the closer you are to the VOR.
Yeah.
Because the radial is smaller. Does that make sense?
Makes sense.
Special Flight Rules traffic, Cherokee 408 Echo, King Harbor, northbound 4,500. So let's move back a little bit to catch that radial.
Yep.
Special Flight Rules area, 021 Tango, just north of Santa Monica, northwest of Beam, the golf course, Riviera, and southeastbound, 3,500.
So this means we have to go to the more right side.
Yeah, of this.
Yeah.
But we are, because we're 330. So if you are the dot, we're going towards it. Does that make sense?
Yeah, so it just takes time to...
Exactly, yeah, because we're going across the pizza. Right? Right now we're on Halsey's pizza. We need to go to somebody else's pizza. Make sense?
Makes sense.
Then when it centers, we go back to 310 or 312, whatever it is.
Yeah.